Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Friday, November the 13th, Friday the 13th. Thursday, the markets got thrashed. E-mini S&P down 28.5 at 2040.5, down 1.5% on the session, and that's a sixth consecutive session below the $2,100 pivot, which is very important from a technical standpoint. Dow futures lost 1.5% as well, 17,398, down 257, and the Nasdaq was the best of the worst, down 1% at 45.85, down 47. It looks like, barring some big boom bust to the upside here, the markets are going to finish negative on a weekly basis for the first time in, I think, 6 weeks or so. The dollar index gave back 45 points, 98.71. The euro currency bounced 64 at 107.98. We also saw some flight to safety there, flight to quality in treasuries, 152.27, up 26. So a little bit of bounce in price, a little bit of a push down in yield. Crude oil made some new relative lows, down $1.20 at 41.75 at the close. New lows at 41.50, solidly below that old support at 44, which now becomes resistance. Also hit was gold. Gold went down to 10.73, down to those lows, did bounce back, ended up being down $4 on the day at 10.81, but it didn't bust through that solid support down there at that 10.73 level. It just bounced off it, and it was rather steady for the rest of the day. So after the sell-off that we saw on Thursday, where do these markets stand here Friday morning? Well, right now we're down 2.5 points in the E-mini S&P, 2038, down 30 in the Dow, 17,368, and down 13 in the Nasdaq at 45.72, which has really given back a lot of gains in the last week. The dollar steady, 98.75. The euro's down 7 at 107.91. Like I said, treasuries are drifting higher as we have more instability and volatility in the equity market. We're at 153.06 in the 30-year. That's changed the yields to 3.06 in the 30-year and 2.30 in the 10-year note. Crude oil's up 30 cents at 42.05 after those new relative lows yesterday at 41.50 to keep an eye on. And gold, interestingly enough, up $5 at 10.85. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, the S&P's down 2.5, the Dow's down 30, and the Nasdaq 100's down 13. A tough week in equities after this major bounce we've seen over the last couple of weeks. I will see you early Monday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.